Hi guys, itong ulam today ni Mother. Sarap, may tulingan. Ayan. May sopas. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang mangga. Tapos chicken. Ayan. Tayo.
The kids in front.
Tulingan. Ang daming ulam guys. Isda na ano. Data.
Kain tayo. Kain ang batang sopas.
Sopas.
Hindi naman pinuno. Wala na, kalahati na.
It was full before. Kahit kanina pa, sinabi na para punuin mo.
No, when I was filling it up. I didn't look inside.
Pag naglalagay ka, ganun din mo.
Oo, gaganon mo siya na po.
Not straight only. Kasi doon lang siya napupunta sa ano.
Sa gitna. Siya may sopas.
Oh.
I don't like that chili.
Ang sarap na ng mangga, no? Naburo na. Burong mangga yung guys.
Ano malaki dun? Atin to ah. This one's mine.
Pag sa bahay, kumakain ko ng sopas.
Pag nanonood lang yung may magkukwento na naman yung sila. Sabi niya, sarap ng kumain pero mapipin yung kanin. Kangaroo pig.
No.
That's a dog. No, kangaroo.
Dog?
No, kangaroo.
Ay, yung itim mo? Dog?
Ay, hinabol kasi ng aso, pero yung kangaroo over there.
Ah, the dog chased the kangaroo.
Before here, dog, black dog.
Oh, like that on the ground.
Oh yeah, over there the kangaroos. Over there the dog black here. The kangaroos over there in the running here. Grabe ang takot niya, no? Minsan, alam mo ba, tumago dyan, no?
Alright.
Ayun ba, ano? Ano ba yung sinangag? Ano na pa yung sila nagpa-practice?
No, they're banning those
Wala kasi pasok. Pag wala pasok sila. Kasi some children will going to school.
You can't go in school on those.
Tulingan guys, tulingan.
Those are banned from getting rode on the streets.
No. The children.
Going to school in that?
Every Monday to Saturday.
They can't go to school in electric bikes.
Daddy,
They're not allowed anymore.
what those my shoes? When I
Dog.
finally
No.
caught.
Tres. Tres. Tres.
If you don't,
Too far.
if you don't want
Too far.
them, then leave them alone. You don't
No.
like them.
Panaginip mo lang yan.
Wasp! There's a wasp!
That's okay.
Ay, meron doon nasa rep.
It's okay.
Later. My sisters. There was just my hand. My cousin's a baby.